Hi everybody, Paul here again. If you ever have a situation where just one of the electrical door locks on your vehicle will not open or close using either the manual button or the fob, then more than likely you have a faulty door lock actuator. The door lock actuator will be located inside the door at the end of the door in this area here. Here's the electrical connection that powers the door lock actuator. Here you can see the door lock actuator latch. However, before replacing the door lock actuator, you should first check to make sure it's receiving voltage and signals at the electrical connection. Depending on the make, model, and year, the connection can have up to 5 wires. One wire supplies power, one wire supplies ground, one wire sends a lock signal, one wire sends an unlock signal, and some may have an optional wire for lock status feedback. As you can see, this 2017 Camry has 4 wires. To test the electrical connection, I'll place a copper wire into any one of the 4 wire connections. Next, take a test light and place the test clip on the copper wire. In order to perform this test, the door must be closed. It can be tested with a manual button or a fob. Using a fob will make it a lot easier to perform the test. I should now receive a light signal at each wire connection when I perform this test. This connection is good. This connection is good. And this connection is good. Now you can move forward with the repair by replacing the door lock actuator. If one of the connections does not give a light signal, then you may have a broken wire where the door pivots here. It's also possible you may have a corrosion issue or a rodent chewed through one of the wires somewhere. I hope you found this helpful. And if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. And while you guys are working on your cars, I'll be trying to set a new world record standing on my hat.